Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair Windows 10 startup issues using command prompt. This is a small CMD fix. So, how to open command prompt when Windows is not booting? Let's see how it can do. So first you need to turn off your computer completely. Then you need to turn it on. The exact second you see manufacturer logo, HP, Dell or Lenovo laptop, press and hold the physical power button to force it back off. Repeat this at around 3 times, and on the fourth boot leave the computer alone. It will open a blue screen reading advanced option or automatic repair. Then navigate to troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt. So this is the blue screen you are going to see. Then select troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt. So first you need to find the true Windows drive letter. In the back terminal window you need to press C double dot and hit enter. Then type dir, hit enter. So look at the folders listed on the screen. If you see folders name Windows, users and program files, you are on the right drive. If you don't see those folders, you need to press Windows D, then hit enter. Then you can check is Windows drive is D drive, or you can select with the E drive kind of things. So the second method is rebuild the master boot data. To do that, as usual, you need to come to the first unit. I am going to exit from this, then go to troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt. Okay, then you need to type bootrec space / fix mbr and hit enter. It will fix the mbr menu. Then after you need to type bootrec space / fix boot and hit enter. Once it is done, you need to type bootrec space / rebuild BCD and hit enter. But the second method, bootrec fix boot, shows access is denied kind of error. You need to type bootrec space / nt60 space sys and hit enter. Once it is finished, you need to again type bootrec space / fix boot, and finally bootrec space / rebuild BCD. And the next method is you need to run an offline system file checker. To do that, you need to type on the command prompt sfc space / scan now space / off boot dir equal C drive double dot backslash space / off win dir equal Windows drive double dot backslash Windows. Hit enter. And the step number 4 is repair hard drive file system corruption using chkdsk command. As usual, you need to open command prompt. Then you need to type chkdsk space your Windows drive double dot space / f space / r, like this. Hit enter. And the last method is check and fix broken update packages. To do that, as usual, you need to open command prompt. Then after type dism space / image double dot your Windows drive double dot backslash space / cleanup dash image space / revert pending actions and hit enter. This will roll back the any unfinished half installed system updates.